आपके बारे में आपके ब्रांड के बारे में
See, we are basically manufacturing all the denim buttons and snap. So we have a plant which is a company based in Taiwan. So ANG company. So we have we are manufacturing everything here in Bhiwadi, which is near to Delhi. All the process are in-house. We have suppliers like Pan India, all the domestic garments, Max, Mintra, many others, Reliance, we are supplying to it.
okay. Do you handle
When it comes to
Right now, this unit is only for domestic. And my show, these brands Reliance, yeah, basically no, all supplying to these brands.
how old are the branches?
See, we are into this trade for last 60 years, but this unit we've started like last 10 years. Almost 10 years into this market.
Is there also product which can help you help the customer?
Sorry, what?
Which about your product USP?
And basically our USP is that we are making everything here only, and plus we have everything in house. So our delivery time is really quick, and plus the product quality is as good as improved.
What vision you have in mind in next 5 years?
See, we want that everything's now we are making in India. So we want basically that we should be less dependent on imports, and we should manufacture here. So it gives a better price, better quality, and plus
Since you are in this button field, are you interested in apparel products also?
So we will think, but right now we will concentrate on our products.
In which location your store is?
See, we have a manufacturing unit which is in Bhiwadi. So that is almost 1.5 hours drive from Delhi International Airport.
You qualify sustainability.
Yeah, we are trying to implement that and will surely do that.
You share your thoughts on this exhibition.
See, I think exhibition is always a good platform to meet new clients and get exposure of different items also. And plus, I think exhibition is when you meet the clients directly, so you know them better.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.